Hello people and welcome to Shifting Gears and welcome inside the 2020 Audi Q2. अब ये Audi ब्रांड की सबसे सस्ती गाड़ी है here in the Indian market right now. This is their smallest SUV in the Q lineup. इस Audi Q2 की कीमत जो है वो शुरू होती है from ₹34.99 lakhs और जाती है all the way up to 48.89 lakhs ex showroom. This is their most affordable car. And this, although it might not look like a butch big SUV on the outside, it is still quite a capable car और उसके बारे में हम इस वीडियो में बात करने वाले हैं. In this video we are going to talk about the driving dynamics, the overall experience from behind the steering wheel and also the off-road capabilities of this Audi Q2 because it gets quattro all-wheel drive. अब दिखने में तो ये गाड़ी बाहर से ऐसा आपको लग सकता है that it is a crossover, not really an SUV, but it can manage bad roads effortlessly. It can drive over broken roads very easily. सबसे पहले तो ये जो Audi की Q2 है, इसके साथ आपको सिर्फ एक सिंगल पेट्रोल इंजन ऑप्शन ही मिलने वाला है. You do not get a diesel engine option with this Audi Q2, so that is something that you have to keep in mind. None of the Audi cars now come with a petrol engine option here in the Indian market. So one engine, one gearbox, that is all that you get. But there is a good spread of variants across a wide span of price gap. So you can decide how much you want to spend on this Audi Q2 if you want to bring this one home. अब अगर स्पेसिफिकेशंस की बात करें तो ये जो Audi Q2 है with the 40 TFSI motor, it gets a 2-liter direct injection turbocharged 4-cylinder motor which produces 190 HP of power and 320 Newton meters of torque. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया, it gets quattro all-wheel drive and it is mated to a 7-speed S-tronic dual clutch automatic gearbox. Audi का क्लेम है कि ये गाड़ी जो है it can sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in 6.5 seconds. It has a curb weight of 1.5 tons and if you are buying a luxury car and if you are bothered about mileage, Audi claims that this car will do 100 kilometers in 6.5 liters. So you can do the math, it is going to be roughly around 15 kmpl. And if you want to talk about realistic mileage, अगर आप ये गाड़ी सिटी में चलाते हो, you can expect close to 9 to 10 kmpl in a mixed condition where you are stuck in bumper to bumper traffic as well. And when you are out on the highway, if you are going out on really long drives with 2 or 3 people on board, this car can actually do well over Audi's claim of fuel efficiency. You can see 16 to 17 kmpl on the MID if you are just cruising effortlessly close to 90 to 100 km/h in the top overdrive gear with this Audi Q2. Now, when you are driving out on the highway, check this out. I am going to set the cruise control and it is a very quiet cabin. ये गाड़ी जो है with this 2-liter petrol engine, it is very refined and it drives in a very nice manner. Cabin insulation काफी अच्छा है and even at 90 to 100 km/h, the engine RPM is under 2000. So, you know, there is not too much of engine noise that comes inside the cabin. Even at 100 km/h, आपको ज़्यादा wind buffeting सुनाई नहीं देती है. There is no wind noise that creeps inside the cabin. So you as a driver, you have a very stress-free cabin. So you can drive out for a longer distance without getting tired. And it is a 4-cylinder motor and it is a luxury car. So of course, there is no vibrations or harshness that you feel or notice when you are behind the wheel of this luxury crossover or SUV, whatever you would like to call it. But now I am going to pull over to the shoulder because this is a luxury car and you are obviously interested to know if this car can sprint hard or not. So what I'm going to do now is switch to sport mode. I'm going to come to a complete standstill and now I'm going to stop talking and you just listen to the engine. So in 3, 2, 1. I am driving full pedal to the metal. I am at serious triple-digit speeds right now. And this Audi Q2 is bloody fast. The thing is, it just weighs 1.5 tons and it has this fantastic free revving and just an exciting motor under the hood. तो अगर आपको ये गाड़ी तेज चलानी है trust me, you will have a lot of fun. And also because the dimensions are so tight, it is going to be a good car to maneuver while doing high speeds as well. Not that you should keep swerving around too much and changing lanes too quickly at high speeds, but this car will stay in your control and this car is going to excite you if you like to drive fast. अभी जब मैं इसे स्पोर्ट मोड में चला रहा था, the engine was upshifting a little under 6500 rpm or a little over 6000 rpm, however you would like to consider it. And it was a fast gear shift and it was a seamless gear shift. Of course, this is a typical Audi. It is a luxury car. It has that fast shifting 7-speed dual clutch automatic. So the gear shifts and the gear transitions are fantastic and you don't really lose too much of time when you are driving full pedal to the metal. लेकिन अभी जब मैं इस गाड़ी को स्पोर्ट मोड में चला रहा था, it was still in its efficiency setting. तो यहाँ पे on this MMI, you can go to the car settings and then in the Audi Drive Select, you can select the driving mode. You also have a Drive Select hotkey over here, a quick access button over here, and then you can switch from efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic. And when you switch to dynamic, you are going to get more crisper throttle response and then your drive is going to be a little more exciting. Again, I'm going to pull over to the shoulder and this time I'm going to take manual controls over this engine and this gearbox. So like I mentioned, I have selected sport mode and I am in its dynamic tune, and in 3, 2, 1 and it upshifts quite fast. And even in manual control mode, अगर गाड़ी ये सेंस करती है that you still have your pedal completely depressed, it will upshift if you miss the optimum shift point. And if you want more control over the gearbox and if you want engine braking, you can use these paddle shifts to downshift and you can stay on the higher end of the rev range and just exploit all the power and torque from this fantastic motor. Just listen to the engine one more time. It doesn't get too loud, it doesn't get too throaty, and it doesn't get too annoying as well. तो अगर आप as a driver इस गाड़ी को चला रहे हो and if you are driving it in sport mode and if you are having a lot of fun, it doesn't get too loud कि आपके passengers को इसकी दिक्कत होने वाली है. So it is a good balance. It will, please your ears, but it will not trouble the ears of your passengers in this Audi Q2. And by the way, apart from the standard drive select modes, अगर आपको और customized way में इस गाड़ी को चलाना है, if you want to suit it more to your driving style, आप इसका individual mode जो है वो भी select कर सकते हो. And over here, you can select the engine and gearbox in comfort, auto and dynamic, and the steering wheel again in comfort, auto and dynamic. So it is up to you how the car should feel when you are behind the steering wheel. Now if you are worried about triple digit speeds, this Audi Q2 can drive comfortably at speeds over 120 kilometers per hour, but not that you are going to get to do that in a lot of places because firstly, speed limits, second, bad road conditions here in the Indian market, so you can't really help it much. But the car stays nice and stable. And now let's talk about the ride quality. ये जो Audi Q2 है, इसके साथ आपको एक typical European firmness मिल जाता है from the suspension setup. It is nice and flat when you are out on the highway. आपको बिल्कुल भी vertical movement feel नहीं होती है. The car stays glued to the ground, glued to the road very nicely. It holds on to the tarmac well and it gives you a good amount of confidence if at times you want to drive fast and if at times when you want to have fun with this Audi Q2. The good thing is that the suspension will allow you to play around in corners as well. But then the downside is that the steering wheel doesn't really feel all that great. अगर आप dynamic setting में भी steering wheel को रख देते हो, it still gives you a good amount of heft when you're driving it at speeds. But when you are into corners, when you are playing around with the steering wheel, it could have had a little bit more feel to it. आपको at all times ये जरूर महसूस होता है where your wheels are pointed, so it is not confusing or it is not something that is going to make you nervous, but it is just that the feel and feedback could have been a little better for a car which is going to cost this much, for a car which is going to cost well over 50 lakh rupees here in the Indian market. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट जिसके बारे में मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, इट इज द ब्रेक्स। अब ब्रेक पेडल पे से जो फील है, इट इज वेरी शार्प, द ब्रेक बाइट इज वेरी शार्प। तो अगर आप ये गाड़ी नई खरीद रहे हो, बी केयरफुल व्हाइल यूजिंग द ब्रेक, बिकॉज इफ यू प्रेस इट अ लिटिल टू मच, you are going to scare people who are following you, who are behind you, because this car is going to slow down really in a sharp way. So that is something that you have to be careful about. आपको all 4 disc brakes मिल रहे हैं. There is going to be no problem in putting the anchors down and bringing this car to a halt, because the brakes are super sharp. But just because they are super sharp, you have to be careful and be mindful of other road users who might be behind you or be dangerously close to you, because in India people like to tailgate cars in front of them, and that is just a stupid thing to do. So you have to be careful and be safe enough for yourself. In terms of ergonomics, the Audi Q2 is spot on. सभी चीजें जो हैं आपके हाथों में काफी आसानी से आ जाती हैं. Everything is very easy to reach. And although some people might be cribbing that this is an old school layout, this is an old layout as per Audi standards, I really like it. I really like the minimalistic design. I really like how everything is just to the point. कोई ज्यादा fancy screen नहीं है. I am not a fan of big touch screens, because if you are behind the steering wheel और जब आपको सभी कंट्रोल स्टीयरिंग व्हील पे दिए गए हैं, why do you need a touch screen? You don't really need that. और ये जो MMI dial है यहाँ पे, this rotary knob, it is also very intuitive to use, so there is not a big problem in not having a touch screen. In terms of electronic safety features, इस गाड़ी में आपको obviously सभी कुछ मिल रहा है. You have traction control, you have stability control, you have ABS with EBD, you have multiple airbags to keep you safe. So there is nothing that you are going to feel that you are falling short of when you are spending so much money. But of course, in terms of feel good features, ये Audi Q2 जो है, it should have had electric adjustment for the seat, at least for the driver's seat. It should have had ventilated seats, and there are a few things which are missing in this car in terms of creature comforts, and that is definitely going to pinch you. ये गाड़ी as a CBU Indian market में launch हो रही है. It is a full import and it should get more features for sure. जब आप ये Audi की Q2 City में चला रहे हो, the engine and gearbox perform in a very nice and calm way. अगर आप डायनामिक मोड में भी इस गाड़ी को चला रहे हो, तभी भी throttle response ज्यादा sharp नहीं है that it is going to scare you. The car doesn't keep lunging forward with a sharp response. It is very manageable and it is very easy to drive. Inside the city भी आपको काफी अच्छी visibility मिलने वाली है. Steering wheel पे भी आपको tilt and telescopic adjustment मिल जाता है. So it is very easy to find your desired and most comfortable driving seat position. And the one thing which I like the most in this car is this steering wheel. You have a flat bottom steering wheel. It looks beautiful and it feels so good to hold on to. I want to take this home. It is just that good looking and it just feels so good from behind the steering wheel. I really like it. Small things make a lot of difference in your ownership cycle. और जब आप यहाँ पे बैठने वाले हो, this is your point of view. This is what you look at all the time. And this is something very good looking. Steering wheel पे जो pedal shifts आपको दिए गए हैं, they are small but they are very easy to access. The gear selector is also the typical round shaped golf ball style gear selector unit. You get a nice leather wrap on it and it is very easy to operate as well. Tiptronic mode भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. But I wish that the horn pad was a little easy to reach and was a little easier to press. Check this out. I have big hands, but I have to reach out to press this horn and I have to press it hard if I want to use it. So that is something that you have to keep in mind. Not that you should be honking a lot inside city limits when there is actually no need. But when you want to use it, you just have to make that conscious effort. अगर आप ये गाड़ी खरीदने की सोच रहे हो, you are not really going to be out on the highway all the time. You are going to be driving around inside the city. You are going to be spending the most amount of time inside the city if you buy any car actually. And when you are driving at city speeds close to 50 to 60 kilometers per hour, the engine is going to be in its 5th gear and upshift to 6th if you cross 60 kilometers per hour. It is going to be at a very relaxed state of tune. अगर आप throttle pedal जो है वो feather करते रहते हो, if you are not really demanding from the accelerator, the engine RPM is going to be under 2000 at all times. And if you have a light right foot, the engine RPM is going to be under 2000 even at 100 kilometers per hour. So it is just going to give you a lot of mileage. It is going to offer you a nice stress-free drive. The NVH package is going to feel fantastic. It is so quiet. It is so quiet that जब आप गाड़ी के बाहर भी रहते हो, engine noise आपको काफी कम सुनाई देती है. Of course, this is a petrol, so it is not really a noisy motor. Talking about finer details, this Audi Q2 में आपको एक generous dead pedal भी मिल जाता है. So even if you are wearing really big shoes, you have a good place to rest your left foot and you will be comfortable. And munching miles in this car is going to be very very easy. ये जो सीट दी गई है आपको, it is giving me very good amount of support. The annoying bit is that you have a rotary knob to adjust the seat back angle. I absolutely hate it. But the seat, in terms of occupying me, it is nice. I wish that at this price, this car offered you adjustable lumbar support, because you just expect it when you are spending so much money. So wrapping things up, this Audi Q2, yes, it is an expensive car. Yes, it might not have all the creature comforts which you expect from a car costing over 50 lakh rupees. But then, when you are driving this car, you are going to enjoy it. The motor is fantastic. The throttle response is nice and crisp. 190 horsepower from a car which is weighing just 1.5 tons, the curb weight. It is going to result in a fast acceleration. It is going to allow you to sprint over 200 km per hour for your top speed runs, and that should massage your ego. एक और चीज जो मुझे इस Audi Q2 की पसंद आई is the amount of effort that you have to put in to make a U-turn on the steering wheel. It has been set in its dynamic setting, the engine mode and the steering mode. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, in just one lock, it makes a complete effortless U-turn. You don't really have to fiddle around too much. आपको ज्यादा twist and turn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. So it just makes your city drive effortless. Check this out. I'm going to do it one more time. And just one lock, easy one lock, and you are going to make U-turns. And the turning radius is also acceptable for your city commutes. तो आपको ज्यादा 3-point U-turns लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Everything inside this car is acceptable except for the suspension tune if you are driving on really bad roads. अगर आप एकदम खराब पैचेस पे से गाड़ी चलाओगे तो थर्ड्स आपको अंदर सुनाई देंगे और झटके आपको फील भी होने वाले हैं. The ride quality is very nice and mature and pliant. When you are out on the highway, you get a very good flat ride quality. But on bumps, on speed breakers, you will feel that it is typical of German engineered car. It has that typical European suspension firmness. तो कमेंट से मुझे बताइए क्या लगता है आपको about this Audi Q2. Do you think this is a good looking car on the outside? For that we have a separate video where we talk about the exterior design highlights. Do you think this car is exciting when you want to drive it? Do you think this car is comfortable? और क्या आपको इसके interior features जो हैं पसंद आते हैं या नहीं? Till next time, subscribe to the Shifting Gears channel. If you have any other queries, do ask us. We will be more than happy to help you out. Always guys, wear your seatbelts, try to follow the speed limits, say no to road rage and drive responsibly.